Wow, I just gave these kitties meat, real meat for the first time in the form of turkey. And you think that I gave them candy canes and chocolate. They are so happy. And the funny thing that's happening is that some of them are dragging their food away and guarding it jealously and growling when anybody goes near it. I'll go closer so you can hear it. It's very funny. I'm sure that's an instinctual thing. As far as that kitty's concerned, she's defending her kill. That sweet little kitty. Yes, I'm talking about you too. Is that good? Huh? You don't want me to get that, do you? Huh? Cleo likes it too. We're having a special dinner tonight because tomorrow 2 kitties are going to go to their forever home in Pismo Beach on a 5-acre ranch. And I'm so happy that 2 get to go together. But I'm very sad that this is going to be the first of saying goodbye to these beautiful, beautiful creatures who I've come to love. Parting is such sweet sorrow. It is true. Cleo? Cleo? Thank you, Cleo. Thank you.